In the world of manufacturing, finding the right supplier can make or break your business. This is especially true when sourcing injection molding services from China, a global hub known for its competitive pricing and manufacturing prowess. However, successful sourcing goes beyond simply finding the cheapest option. It's about building strong, long-term partnerships based on trust and mutual benefit. Think of your Chinese injection molding supplier not just as a vendor, but as an extension of your own team. When both parties are invested in the relationship, you unlock a world of advantages. These include improved communication, increased efficiency, and a higher likelihood of innovation and success. Remember, a strong partnership is a two-way street. It requires effort, understanding, and a commitment to open communication from both sides. By investing in this relationship from the outset, you lay the groundwork for a successful and mutually beneficial collaboration. Trust is the bedrock of any successful partnership, and this is especially true when working across cultures. Building trust with your Chinese injection molding supplier takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. One effective way to foster trust is through regular and transparent communication. Keep your supplier informed about your needs, expectations, and any changes in your business. At the same time, be proactive in seeking updates from your supplier on production progress, quality control, and any potential challenges. Cultural sensitivity is also crucial. Take the time to learn about Chinese business etiquette and communication styles. Small gestures such as exchanging gifts during the initial meeting or sharing a meal together can go a long way in building rapport and demonstrating respect. Finally, be patient. Building strong relationships takes time, especially in a cross-cultural context. Don't expect miracles overnight. Instead, focus on consistent and open communication. Demonstrate your commitment to the partnership and be understanding of any cultural differences that may arise. Disputes are an unfortunate reality in any business relationship. However, when working with Chinese injection molding suppliers, it's important to approach conflicts with sensitivity and a commitment to finding a mutually agreeable solution. The Chinese culture places a high value on harmony and saving face. It means avoiding direct confrontation or assigning blame. If a dispute arises, it's best to address it calmly, respectfully, and through the appropriate channels. Start by contacting your primary point of contact at the supplier and clearly outlining the issue, providing specific examples and documentation whenever possible. If direct communication doesn't resolve the issue, consider involving a neutral third party, such as a mutually agreed-upon mediator or an industry expert. This can help facilitate communication and find a solution that works for both parties. Remember, the goal is not to win the dispute, but to find a solution that preserves the relationship and allows both parties to move forward. By approaching conflicts with sensitivity, respect, and a commitment to open dialogue, you can navigate disputes effectively and maintain a harmonious working relationship. Section 4. Scaling production, growing together. As your business grows, you'll need a supplier who can scale production to meet your evolving needs. When you've invested in building a strong relationship with your Chinese injection molding supplier, scaling production becomes a collaborative process rather than a logistical nightmare. Start by communicating your long-term vision and growth plans with your supplier. This allows them to anticipate your future needs and make necessary preparations in terms of capacity, staffing, and resources. When scaling up production, it's essential to maintain open communication about your quality expectations and any changes in product specifications. Regular site visits and quality inspections are also crucial to ensure that production standards remain high as volumes increase. Remember, scaling production is a journey, not a race. By working closely with your Chinese injection molding supplier, communicating openly, and addressing any challenges proactively, you can ensure a smooth and successful transition as your business grows. Section 5. Conclusion. Reaping the rewards of collaboration. In the competitive world of manufacturing, building strong, long-term relationships with your suppliers is no longer optional, it's essential. When you view your Chinese injection molding supplier as a true partner, you unlock a world of benefits. By investing in open communication, cultural sensitivity, and a commitment to mutual success, you can establish a foundation of trust that will serve your business for years to come. Remember, the most successful sourcing strategies are built on collaboration, respect, and a shared vision for the future. By working together, you can navigate the complexities of global manufacturing and achieve sustainable growth for both parties.